Ripley's utility tool brand of products provides wire and cable preparation tools to splice and terminate power cable at transmission, distribution, and secondary voltages for the utility, electrical, construction, and maintenance industries. The Ripley SCS Semicon scoring tool is used to make precision score depth cuts on high-voltage power cables with strippable semicon for the purpose of proper semicon removal. The SCS Semicon scoring tool offers the following features: a semicon diameter range of 0.31 inches to 1.8 inches, a blade depth adjustment range up to 0.15 inches deep, a tri-action scoring capability to produce ring cut, spiral cut, and longitudinal cuts, 4 spiral cut settings for optimal chip width, a micro-indexing blade depth adjustment in 0.002 depth increments, a blade squaring adjustment feature, and available in both metric and English measurement units. Prepare the cable properly to expose the semiconductive layer. Ripley provides a variety of jacket removal tools. The WS64UE will strip the outer jacket while leaving the concentric neutral wires undamaged. Step 1. To begin using the SCS, set the blade to a depth equal to 75 to 90% of the thickness of the semicon screen. To do this, rotate the blade adjustment knob clockwise until the arrow aligns with the desired blade depth. Always ensure that the blade depth is not more than the semicon thickness. Step 2. To perform a ring cut, first observe the blade positioning indicator and ensure it is in the square cut position. Next, lower the jaw to open the tool and secure the tool on the cable at the termination point of the semicon. Rotate the tool 1 full turn counterclockwise around the circumference of the cable for a ring cut. Step 3. To perform a spiral cut, first turn the blade positioning indicator to one of the spiral cut locations. The large position will produce the narrowest spiral, and it is meant for larger cables. Indexing it further will produce a wider spiral score, typically for smaller cables. Next, turn the tool counterclockwise and allow it to advance toward the end of the cable and completely off the cable. To perform a longitudinal cut, first complete a ring cut. Proceed to the longitudinal cut by rotating the blade positioning indicator to the longitudinal tracking position. Then carefully pull the tool down the full length of the cable, scoring it to the cable end. Lastly, position the tool back on the cable at the ring cut and create the desired amount of score cuts down the length of the semicon. With long nose pliers or another appropriate tool, remove the semicon in one continuous chip for spiral cuts. Or as individual chips for longitudinal cuts. The SCS is designed with a blade alignment feature to ensure the tracking is made squarely. If misalignment is determined, turn the blade alignment adjusting screw with an Allen wrench in the correct direction to bring the tool back to a properly tracking ring cut. With an easy-to-use dial adjustment and a variety of cut options, the Ripley SCS Semicon scoring tool is the easy-to-use, compact, and high-quality tool for the utility professional.